Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I just uploaded my video for the May 2018 Target Beauty Box, and I wanted to share with you what I then do with the coupons that come with the beauty boxes each month, along with some other deals that Target has going on along with Ibotta. I don't think I've ever showed you guys what I then do with the coupons and that kind of thing. But basically, Target obviously has the Cartwheel program, which is something you should definitely sign up for. There are always coupons that are tailored to you, or discounts rather, that are tailored to you, and if you meet certain levels, you then get more and more. So if you have not signed up with Cartwheel, definitely do it. If you don't have a red card with Target, which automatically saves you 5% on every single one of your purchases, I mean, that's in California, that's almost our tax. So in California, however, we also have a bag tax where if you use a bag of theirs, they charge you 10 cents per bag. However, if you bring your own bag, you get 5 cents. You get money for using your own bag. So I do that. I bring this little bag here. It unfolds into a nice big bag. I stuff it in my little tiny satchel purse that my side carry purse, and I get 5 cents off every single time. So you get 5% off with your red card. You save 5 cents with this, and if you use your cute Cartwheel app, you always save something. I mean, it's not on random stuff. They usually tailor it to things that you like to buy or that they suggest that you try to buy. And so it's a great thing. In addition, I also use a thing called Ibotta, which I only religiously started using this month. And this month, I'm at $58.33. Just on stuff I've already bought in this month. I haven't gone out of my way to buy anything. It's just on things I normally buy, and I'm almost up to $60 cash back. That is cash back. It goes to a PayPal account and then right into my checking account where I paid for everything. And so I'm going to be taking that money with me to Ireland to do whatever I want with. So anyway, these are, again, things I just buy normally. There are a few things that I'm trying, but I already had to get it anyway. So that's out of the norm for me. I have couponed all my life. Even when I was a kid, I remember going to Photomat. I don't know if this is really dating me, but I've loved photography all of my life, and I had a little, what is a 110 camera? They had like that little weird bar thing that you would slip into the thing, and had a brownie camera. So anytime I had to buy film or develop film, I used Photomat, and there would be like buy one, get one half off. I was like 8 or 9 years old and wheeling and dealing with coupons way back then. All of my children's lives, if we went out to dinner, it was because we had a coupon. You always use coupons. So anyway, I thought I would share with you just a quick, now that I'm 3 minutes rambling into this, what I did. So let's see, the first deal was a beauty deal. Right now, Target has a $5 gift card when you spend $20 on beauty products. That includes razors, soaps, hair products, cosmetics, that kind of thing. So the first thing I did was this was $7, and you know how much I just love Clairol, right? Well, when I complained to Clairol, they sent me a coupon for another one to try for free. I don't intend on using it, but I do intend on giving it to my best friend, who I believe said she was number 7. So now I have 2 boxes of these for her. And so because you had to spend $20, in addition to the fact that I had the 3 off $15 Target coupon, which comes at the bottom of these, so I had basically, you get a $5 coupon or $5 gift card and $3 off, right, to get to 15 or 20. So I was reaching for the 20 so I can get the $5 gift card. So this alone was $7, and it was 100% free, right? So then I had to add 2 more things to bring my total higher. So these were almost $1 a piece. So now we're at $9. And then there was this lip color here. This lip color was $6 by L'Oreal. And with this one, I also had a 220 Ibotta. So this was $6, and I got 2. Ooh, this is really pretty. I haven't put it on yet. And it's really matte. Look at it. It's really pretty. Anyway, so, ooh, I like that. It's nice and smooth. I actually like it. I can't tell you, it's matte Karen color 800 in L'Oreal. So this was $6, and I got $2.20 back on Ibotta. By the way, I got $2.50 back from Ibotta on this one. So now we're up to $6, $7, $2, and then there was this thing called L'Oreal Elvive Elvive or Elive. I don't know what it is, but it's a total repair. It's damaging erasing balm, and you put it in your hair after you shampoo and condition, and then you rinse it out after 5 minutes. And it was, I had a $2 off coupon, just a regular coupon that I printed from coupons.com, and I had a $1 Ibotta. So all of these things here, I got for free. Basically, they paid me $1.17 to take this off their hands. That is including the Ibotta, $5.70 that I got back. The this was free anyway, and the gift card of $5. Ultimately, it was $1.17 back to me total. Like, I didn't pay for any of this stuff. So that is a fantastic deal, and I really like that lip color. Okay, so here's another deal. This wasn't as great. Whenever I told you that we got the Sonia Kashuk, that brush is just too beautiful to use. But there was a coupon off this one. This was 5 off 15, and again, I wanted to reach that $20 limit so I can get that $5 gift card. So these brushes here were $15 right off the top. I like to say that I'm going to use them because they're not all that pretty. They're called Tribal Brush Set. They were $15, so then right off the top they were $5 off because of the coupon that I had from the box that we got. And then these were $6, so together that's $21. Target Cartwheel was $3 off these right off the top. And I had a $3 coupon, an actual physical coupon. So ultimately, I got these 100% for free, and I got these for $10, and I got a $5 gift card. So all this cost me $5 because I got a $5 gift card as well. So out of my pocket was $5 for this, and that's $21 in product. Oh, excuse me, got another thing over here. This wasn't as fantastic as a deal. And my daughter's like, why didn't you just go to the Dollar Tree? But when I see something for free, I have to get it, right? This is the coupon, or the receipt for this one. I bought some Blue Bunny ice cream. My husband is addicted to ice cream, and I got a $1 off that with Blue Ibotta. But the receipt for that also includes this. So right now they have 3 Band-Aid products. If you buy 3 Band-Aid products, you get a first aid kit for free. So this is $6. These were each, this was $4.39, this was $2.30, this was $3.39, and this was $2.39. And I had $1 off, I had $2 off, and I had $1.50 off. Right? So all of that, plus this was for free, for $6 was a free item. I mean, that's fantastic. I mean, it's actual Neosporin. Normally I would just get the Dollar Tree Neosporin kind of stuff, and it works pretty much just the same. But this also has pain relief, which I don't think the Dollar Tree ones do. These are really good Band-Aids. They're a tough strip right there, and my husband, you know, works in an environment where he needs to have strong Band-Aids, and he's always nicking his fingers. And this is something I've never seen: new Hydrocele all-purpose Band-Aid. They're like a curved, rubbery kind of Band-Aid. I can only personally use paper Band-Aids. I can't use plasticky ones. But anyway, so I thought this would be a cute little thing to take to Ireland, and you know, saved all kinds of money on it. That was not part of the $5 gift card for $20 because it's not a beauty product. So what else? This is the last thing I did, and hopefully I can. I know I'm not like making, I don't think I'm making sense here, but okay, so they also have $5 gift card for $25 in laundry products. And I don't need any laundry products, but it's close enough to the end of the month to where I budget each month for laundry products. So this will just go towards next month's laundry products. But let's see, there is this here. I actually tried the small version, like a sample size, if you will, from the 99-cent store. It was like this size, like a quarter of this, and I really liked it. It was really thick, and it didn't make my clothes smell bleachy. So I got the really big one, and it was marked down to $3.97, and I'm sorry, $3.79. And I got $2 back from Ibotta on this. So basically I paid, you know, half price, $2 for this gigantic thing. And this will probably last me, if the last one lasted 3 months, this will probably last me a year. Like, I'm not even kidding you. This will last me a year. It's really thick and you don't need to use a lot. And then I got, trying to reach to the $25, I got these Bounce for $5, and I had a $1 coupon off, so those were $4. And then they had this 7th generation. I've never used this before, but it was $13 and it was marked down to $11. Plus, Target had it marked down for manufacturer coupon for $2 off, and I got back from Ibotta $2.20. So really $4 off, even off the 11. So that's really good. And again, it worked towards that $25. And then I got this. I've never used this before, but this is Suavitel. I had a $1 off coupon. It was $3. I had a $1 off coupon and an Ibotta coupon, or return back, whatever, from Ibotta for $1 off. So paying 99 cents. It was $2.99. Paid 99 cents for it. However, my daughter said you can get this at the 99-cent store anyway for 99 cents. So I don't know if that's a great deal, but it worked towards that $25, right? And then the last thing I got were these Tide Pods for $4.99, and I had a $2 off coupon. I kept thinking they were $6.99 because the counter set, the label on the shelf said $6.99, but they were $4.99, and I had a $2 off coupon, so $2.99. So all of that together, I got a $5 gift card, and I got $5.20 back from Ibotta. And ultimately, all this laundry stuff, I ended up paying $9.37 for. And like, I don't know, it's for sensitive skin, that's fine, I have sensitive skin. It says it's 4 times concentrated, so that will probably last about a half a month. So all together for like 1 year of bleach and half a month of laundry soap for $9.37, is that what I just said? $9.37. I mean, that's fantastic. So that is my coupon haul of the day, I guess. I did the pet food one a couple of days ago. They have $10 off, $40, and it's not a gift card, it's $10 off at the store, off $40 at Target right now until Saturday. And all these things are until Saturday, by the way. And I did it twice, and so I got like $80 worth of dog food, and I bought a stuff, coupons galore. I go to coupons.com to print off the coupons, and I had like buy one get one free pepperoni stuff, $1.50 off 2 packages of pepperoni, all kinds of stuff, just whatever. I did $80 worth of dog food, and I ended up paying $36 out of $80. And I have 2 gigantic dogs who that will last them a month, and they have far too many treats right now. But yeah, that is what I do. I love Target, I love Ibotta, I love the Cartwheel app, I love coupons.com, and that's how, you know, I make our budget stretch. That's how we're able to afford trips to Ireland. I mean, we're a single income family, and I just hustle all the time when it comes to never paying full price. So those are my 3 favorite things I thought I would share with you guys. I know I rambled on too much and talked too fast, but if you like to save money, go to Target, use Cartwheel, use that 5% off, you know, red card, all that kind of stuff, and save you guys some money. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.